The bed will arrive from the vendor boxed up on a pallet. The bed is made up of 2 platform boards, 2 side rails, 4 wooden slats, the footboard, the headboard. Wrapped to each side rail are 2 wooden slats. The headboard uses the same 3-hook bracket that most of our beds use. However, there are 4 screw holes that have been added. After the bed is assembled, you will need to attach 4 1.5-inch wood screws to each bracket on the headboard and the footboard. Loosen the bolts on the side rails and slot them into the hooks on the headboard. You may need to loosen the bracket on the headboard to get the side rails to hook on. Repeat the same steps for the footboard. Now that you have the bed assembled, you want to make sure that your side rails are straight and even. This is more noticeable where they meet on the footboard. Once you have straightened out the side rail, you can tighten all the bolts and add the additional wood screws to each bracket. Set the wood slats into the slots on the side rail. They do not get screwed in. Place the platform boards on top of the slats. You can now place the mattress on top. This bed is not designed for use with the adjustable bed frame.